How to exfoliate skin. Exfoliation is the technique you use to remove dead skin cells. Over time, dead cells will build up on the surface of your skin, leading to dry, gray skin as well as blemishes and maybe even acne. Exfoliation reinvigorates your skin, removing flaws, making your body and face appear younger and healthier. Here we will look at 3 basic methods. Exfoliation of the body. Use any one of the following: a loofah, a natural bristled brush, a dry brush, or an exfoliating glove. Always brush in a circular motion in a small area before moving on to other areas of your body. Do this in the shower after you have dampened your skin. It's important that the water is warm. You should also use an exfoliating scrub. This is a body scrub for cleansing. You can either buy these scrub products or make your own. After following the process, rinse your body. Perform this exfoliation process once a week. Exfoliation of the face. If you have sensitive skin, it is recommended that you use a facial cleansing product, as exfoliation scrubs can be too harsh for the softer facial skin. Persons with normal skin may use a facial brush and mild facial scrub. For sensitive skin, soak a soft washcloth in warm water for a few minutes to be applied to the face. The warm water will help to open the pores. Perhaps, if available, you can steam your face. The warm treatment will help make exfoliation easy. Apply the facial cleanse to the washcloth and gently rub areas of the face in a circular motion, starting at the nose, then forehead and to the rest of the face. On normal skin, use the facial brush in the same circular motion. If your skin is oily, remove excess oil with glycolic pads before exfoliation. Rinse the face and apply moisturizing cream after exfoliation. Professional or medical exfoliation. Make an appointment with a dermatologist or trained skincare specialist. Doctors may use medical devices or chemical peels to exfoliate the skin. This depends on the severity of the patient's skin problems. Those were 3 basic methods of exfoliation. Thank you for watching.